Welcome to Alikare and I'm Thea. Now before I start this video, I've started 2 or 3 other clips already and I was to delete them. I don't intend to delete this one. You will hear my puppies in the background. They will do stuff just to distract me because they want my full attention. And I can't lock them up. And I think I need that exercise video where I have to explain in the exercise video because the trainer was very upset that I have the dogs and all about. They don't know anything but just to play with their mommy, and I guess I spoil them and now it's getting too bad. I'm gonna take my time to see if I can groom them in a different way. But once I'm doing a video, they don't like it unless they're included. They don't like nothing that I do on my own. They get upset by me answering the phone. That's just my puppies. So love them and just watch the video. Alright? Okay, and if you notice I smile at the least little things. I'm a people person. I don't show it most times because you might not see me posting with friends and people going on. I am a lone traveler. I don't know if that's the word to use, but I travel alone. That doesn't mean that I don't have friends and I don't have colleagues and I don't associate myself with people, but I walk alone. Okay, with that said, who am I? Okay, so many watch my video, and if you don't watch my video, it tells you if you watch my video, it tells you a little bit about me. Some people mistaken who I am because of the videos that I put up on YouTube. Some people read into it differently. So I'm just going to clear up some things as we go along. As you see my video before this, if you haven't watched when I said that, I'm going to start posting things about my lifestyle, more things about me and this channel, and just more things that will associate with whatever I've been doing already, but just a little bit more about me. So I work very hard, and what causes that? I think I have that ability from I'm 10 years old, and from I know myself, from I can remember myself. I am like this. I can't change to please people. So people will say, okay, Thea, you don't have any time for yourself. I do have time for myself, and the time that I find myself find for myself might not be something that you would want for me, but it's time for me and I'm happy with it. So if you're going to the party, I'll stay home and write a blog post and I'm happy, just as if you did go to a party and you feel happy. That's me. Okay, how do I, people always ask this question again, how do I balance my time? So I have a WhatsApp status, and I have IG, I have Facebook, and I also have YouTube. How do I balance myself? Let's say I have a facial client. One of the ingredients that I'll put on the client face, like a scrub, it takes 5 minutes before I take 5 minutes before I cleanse it off the face. I leave after leaving the scrub for 5 minutes, and then I exfoliate. During that 5 minutes, I don't use that 5 minutes just sitting down reading a book. I could, or maybe I read a blog, but I can write a blog post or finish a blog post using my phone while I'm sitting down watching that client's finish. I can maybe make 2 or 3 WhatsApp posts. So I use my time wisely. I can maybe share something on Instagram. So that's me. I'll be at home and I'm cooking and I'm also working at the same time. I don't love to cook, so sometimes the food get burned up, of course. That's the time when I realize I'm lost into the work. I'm around the computer and I'm lost. Okay, I'll be doing an online class and I'm also making blog posts because I'm just listening, watching, and correcting. You're not hearing me when I'm doing the post. Some people mistaken that when you post, you're not doing anything. Next thing, when do I rest? I work every day. Now I work by appointment. So if one day I don't feel like go to work, all my clients, I'm booked that day. So you don't know when I'm really having a spare time for myself. You don't know, so don't assume that, okay, I'm a workaholic and this girl don't make time for herself. I don't have a significant other that I post up and say, okay, this is my spouse and I'm married or anything like that. No, I'm not married, by the way. But if I do have a significant other, I would make time for that person. But what most young girls don't realize, and most male out there don't realize, and people on a whole don't realize, is that instead of to make yourself idle for any and anybody, find something do that you like or love, and then when that person who worth your time, then you make time for them. So I'm not the type of person to sit around and wait for people to come in my life for me to get busy. I get busy without them. How do I spend my time alone by myself? I spend my time mostly meditating, relaxing, reading. I love to read, I love to write blog posts, I like to shop online, and I just like my favorite things. So I'll do a next video, some of my favorite things. One question I do not like people ask me, how you do so much things? I don't like it, because when you look on most successful person, they don't just do one thing, they do many things to survive. So don't ask me how I do so much things. I can't answer you, and it's not to being disrespectful, I just can't answer you because I don't know myself, right? I just know that when I do them, I'm happy, and it's not all about money for me. I get a vibe, say okay, I want to make a bag, and I just make the bag. I feel good about the end result of the bag. I feel even good before I start making it, and that's just me. I feel good about doing stuff. What else you want to know about me? How many kids I have one son. Well, these are things that most people already know. Do I want more kids? Yes, and I will definitely have more children. If I don't have one myself, I will adopt, but I will have more, and when I adopt, it becomes mine. Do I have siblings? Yes, I do. I have 5 sisters. Well, we know all these 5 girls and 4 boys, right? One passed away last year. Most people see me go MIA on my channel and they think that okay, she's going through something or she give up the channel. It was because my brother passed away and I couldn't deal with it, so I hardly post. This time when I hardly post on the channel was like 3 weeks to 4 weeks now I haven't posted, until you see I'm gonna post 3 videos before this one. But one of the reasons why I wasn't posting, I was working on some products, and I'm also working on 2 books which will get me a little bit drifted. So I work on things that I like. So I do podcasts, I write books, some of the things that I do. I have a marketing website, I do business consultation for people, and I'm a cosmetologist. So if you want more videos, so these are all the things that I think I should share with you. Okay, if you want a part 2 video on this one, ask me question below. And if you want to see me do a work schedule, I schedule everything. Everything I do, I go by schedule and I go by appointment, and I organize. If you want to see the organizer that I use and you want me to do a video on it, I will. I did show some of the books that I buy on my vlog channel for my organizing, so you can go over and watch that video. It's Thea and Kai. I do have a marketing channel which is AdZone Market. You can go over there, and all my websites are in the link, and you can find me on Instagram at Thea_R_P. Now, yes, so remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please let me know what kind of videos you would love to see, and I will show you them. Otherwise, for more videos with me and my puppies and mukbangs and so forth, you can go over to my vlog channel for those. But as I said, any lifestyle videos about myself, doing hair, cosmetic, nails, lash, anything at all will be posted on this channel. Again, thank you all for watching, and I'm glad for the support and the subscribers. And I'm Thea. Yeah, thank you.